down there.
Oh, thank you.
How are you doing? What's that? What have you got there? Moya Brennan, what's that?
Donegal fresh air.
Oh,
how's that?
I thought you in a bottle, is it?
Yes.
Oh God, give us a sniff of that
Okay,
there.
well.
It's like diet water.
I thought you looked a bit pale recently, and
Oh, have a smell of that, brother. Jeez, that smells like Daniel O'Donnell's closet. Thanks for that.
Thanks for that,
That's
you're welcome. You're welcome.
Well, listen.
Where'll I put it?
I'll leave it there. You're grand there. Yeah. Now listen, you're very welcome. Celtic Clannad crooner Moya Brennan.
I know, so they say.
Magical, mystical.
Magical, mystical, everything. I'm good with my hums. All together.
No, man.
Moya, thanks for coming down to see us, though, fair enough.
In fairness,
let's get the stats out of the way, right?
Go on.
Ireland's biggest musical export next to U2, sold 70 million albums, 4 Grammy Awards, yet never plays concerts. She lives in a castle, and she's Ireland's richest woman. How the hell is your sister Enya still getting away with it? How?
Well, she does it very well, whatever she does, but, you know, we don't, I mean, she's built a persona around herself, and we kind of respect that, so we leave that alone.
Yeah. All right, gotcha.
Listen, you've worked with a shitload of famous
Nicely
types.
put, brother.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, even some that we heard of now. Listen, let's have a look at you with the Bono fella.
Oh, yeah, here's another
in a lifetime.
The famous
look
one.
At this. This is great now.
There you are now.
Aye?
Oh, there he is. Here's Bono the day his hair blew off.
That's right. It was a tough day for Bono.
Yeah, we did that in Donegal, and you know we had a rain machine brought up to Donegal. Yeah, with all the rain that we have.
How do you need a rain machine in Donegal?
I don't know, but we had a wind and rain machine there for the video.
Wait, here's Bono's boat blowing up.
Oh, jeez, that's blown up as well. Oh, he's lost everything that day. Got a rain machine in Donegal.
That's ridiculous.
Absolutely.
And Bono's boat got blown up.
It did.
Yeah.
Never got fixed
Did
since.
nothing else get blown that day, Moya?
Rodge.
Not a thing.
Now, come here, what's been your favourite collaboration so far now, out of all the people you've done stuff with?
Well, I mean, everybody's different, you know, but I did, with Shane McGowan, we did a great song.
The bowl Shane.
Yeah, and that was good fun.
Come here, now, me and the brother, right, we're obviously siblings, and we hate each other with
Do you?
a severe spite.
Really?
But at least I can kick him out of the house for a few hours if he's getting on me tits.
Yeah, but isn't it great when it's family? You can say whatever you want right away without kind of hiding it, and then it's over and done with.
Like, was there a lot of shut your hole? No, you shut your hole when you were in Clannad. Was there a lot of that going on?
Oh, there was at one stage or another.
There'd have to be now.
There would, but then it would be all forgotten, you know.
That's right. I suppose that's the advantage.
That's the advantage of being family. Does that happen to you?
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, all the time. Do you forgive each other?
Within 5 minutes, there's going to be a row.
Yeah.
Almost guaranteed.
Do you kind of feel it when it's about to happen as well?
Oh, right, yeah.
Feeling it. You tend to feel it when it's about to happen.
I'm not feeling it.
No, I'm not. No,
Okay.
doing that. No, listen, things went a bit crazy for a while. You talk about, in your autobiography, about succumbing to the drink and the drugs and the wanton sex and all that. But we were just saying here, look, you were in a folk band, not feckin' Guns N' Roses.
I know. But that's the surprising thing about it. It was all out there, you know.
Was it?
It was all out there.
Did you say something like, it doesn't matter what you're playing, it's still a rock and roll lifestyle?
You're a band on the road at the end of the day.
Exactly. You're on the road, you're in and out of hotel rooms, you're going to gigs, you're, you know, getting sound checks and getting your makeup on and getting up, and it's tiring, and, you know, so sometimes you end up having too much to drink, or, you know.
Smoking the doobie,
Smoking the doobie, and it was around. There was plenty of it around. That's the thing, you see, so.
You've met George W. Bush himself. Did you meet him?
I did.
What did he say to Moya Brennan from Gweedore, huh?
He said to me, well, he told me I had a lovely voice and to keep doing what I was doing, that I was on the right track. And and then Bertie Ahern was there as well, and so I suggested that I kind of went between the two of them for the photographs.
Oh, right.
And Bush turned around and he says, what a great idea, a rose between two thorns. That's what he said.
A wise man, George W.
Do you think so?
Wise man. Come here, did he mention anything about the campaign of terror? You know, Enya's campaign of terror.
Yeah, no.
Music of global torture.
He was asking for you both, actually.
Was he? Did he tell you that they use Enya's music in Guantanamo? It's very successful.
No, you didn't. Well, I'm just so glad it's not mine, okay?
Oh, right,
Yeah, nobody.
Yeah. Yes.
Moya.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Now,
We're going to have to bring
which
this
one
up.
he is Podge and which is Rodge? I always get you mixed up. You
I'm
Rodge.
Rodge.
You Rodge. And
I'm
you Podge.
Podge.
Okay,
Yeah.
right, Rodge.
Do people say the same about which one's Enya?
I don't know. Do I look like her?
Not really.
No.
No. Okay. Well, my hair's not black anymore.
No.
It was just that I was away a lot, and it was just the greys were showing
Gotcha.
through, and so I had to do something about. Have you any trouble with the grey hairs?
Not yet.
Nope.
No.
Not
It's
yet.
great,
You know the
great.
pubes, you know
Your
the
hair-
pubes
your
are
hair
first to
colour is
go, you know
amazing.
that.
Who's the first to go?
Really?
Yeah.
And that's starting?
Oh, it is.
Okay.
We'll talk about that.
Do you want to have a look?
All right. No.
Rodge, we're going to have
Moya.
to...
Yes.
We're going to have to broach
We're going to
it.
have to broach
No,
this now.
I'm sorry about
What
this.
are you going to say?
It's going to be quite upsetting for most
Oh
people.
no.
Who the fuck told you this would be a good idea?
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome on stage Moya Brennan.
We did change some of the lyrics in the song. We changed the lyric, you scumbag, you maggot, you're cheap and you're haggard is what we changed it to. It's such a beautiful song, and for the song to be ruined by any attention brought to it like that would be wrong, so we just decided just to change it there and then.
You scumbag, you maggot, you're cheap and you're haggard. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God it's our
Oh, dear.
Oh dear. But I said other words. But you see, it's kind of offensive in America. That was the whole thing. But I thought I heard actually a recording that Shane, and you can check it out yourself.
We will.
That Shane did that changed those words because of the American audience.
No, that we weren't bothered about that at all. It was more the
not?
fact you were singing that fucking idiot.
Oh, I see.
That's
don't
singing
be
Pez
he's all
dispenser.
right.
He is not. He's paying the hole.
Is he?
No one
Did you
changes
have
the
him
words
on?
of that
You
song.
can't
It's
be changing
sacrilege.
that sacred song that song is.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it is a great song, and
is.
it can only be sung by the.
If
the
Shane McGowan
one
was
person.
dead, he'd be turning in his grave now.
Jesus,
He
maybe we
probably
should
would.
ring and check, should we, just in case?
No, sorry. Right, listen, tell us
Right.
about this new album of yours.
Yeah.
You've one out. Solo album.
Oh, well, it's my 7th one. Would you
7th?
believe? Yeah. I'm
Fantastic.
churning them
Wow.
out.
Come here, are you ever going to retire
What's that?
from the music
Sure,
business?
come on, you're never going to retire, are you?
No, that's true.
How could you? I mean, there's too much fun. I was
Well,
going to
that's
say
it.
crack,
There
but I
is.
got into trouble over that as well.
Now you can say that, no.
Yeah, you can say that.
We're
yeah,
all
yeah.
Irish here.
Yeah.
We all know what it
That's
means.
true. That's true.
But because you're still getting asked to do all sorts of collaborations and things, and
I
you're
am,
doing your
yeah,
own
even-
thing, and you're back with Clannad, and you're doing all sorts of stuff.
I know. We're back with Clannad. We're going out to tour in England there in March, so it'll be
Jesus,
good
brilliant.
fun. I know.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's been an absolute pleasure
It
to
has.
chat with Ireland's most beautiful voice, Moya Brennan.
Moya
huh?
Brennan, everyone.
Thank you. Thanks, Father. Thank you.
Lovely now, Moya, I have to say.
Good, isn't it? That is.
Stay away from Ronan Keating, though. You know,
Yeah,
that's
no,
not
we'll
really
be hanging out with Ronan Keating, no.